Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the OneOdio Focus A5 ANC headphones. It is a hybrid active noise cancelling headphone which allows you to enjoy your music wherever you are. Let us dive deeper into what is inside the product packaging. Inside the packaging, users will find one user guide paperwork set to guide users on product operation. Next out is a charging cable to charge up the device. One OneOdio Focus A5 headphones is also included, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impression, the design on the OneOdio Focus A5 ANC headphones look comfortable and durable in design. I like the modern design along with the soft cushion material that it has at the top of the headphones, and along with the ear muffs, they are really soft and comfy. The headset has an adjustable length and you can pull it to extend its length to your comfortable length when wearing it on. It should provide a snug fit for users based on the design it has. There is a metal connecting rod that is rotatable. It has control buttons that users can use it to control the device. I can power it on by holding down the power button. There is an ANC button to control the noise cancellation mode on or off. A charging port can also be found which you can use the cable provided to connect it to and charge up the headphones. To connect to it, it is really simple. Just go over to your device Bluetooth settings and connect. I love the wireless feature on it, no more messy wires. Use it for your music usage. Listening to audio music can be fun and immersive with the OneOdio Focus A5 ANC headphones. It has AI-based adaptive noise cancellation to provide users with amazing noise cancellation features that help minimize noise disturbances outside so you can fully enjoy your music audio. I also can use it for gaming, which is immersive and enjoyable. Users can use it to do gaming, and also it works well for games with LDAC audio technology. It offers better transmission speeds which delivers fast and clear audio experience to users like gamers. With transparency mode with active noise cancellation turn off, users can listen to audio and at the same time hear what is going on around them as ANC is off, so you can have conversation with friends, etc. The battery life of the OneOdio Focus A5 is up to 75 hours based on specifications, which is really long. I can listen to my music and game for many hours with this headphones. Great! Overall, using the OneOdio Focus A5 has given me a better sense of enjoyment during my music and gaming time. The audio is clear and immersive with ANC turned on. I can fully enjoy what I have on my phone playing. It has fast charging so you can charge up the headphones quickly when needed. Awesome! If you want to find out more about the OneOdio Focus A5, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.